Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I'm very well, thank you. Alright, you know that today we are going to study online again, right? Only two weeks. And I hope you don't go anywhere. Just stay at home and try to avoid coronavirus. Okay, and I hope you are staying safely all together. And today is Tuesday, right? And today also the first day of a new month, right? Did you get good score for your monthly exam yesterday? I hope you can pass all together. Okay, so today there are two sessions we are going to focus on, right? The first session we focus on listening express 3, and the second session we focus on ARC. Alright, so now I would like you to focus on the first session with me all together. Okay, the first session, open the book all together on page 23. We are still in unit 3, right? Protect the planet. Okay, so now you can open the book all together on page 23. What do you see on page 23, everyone? Real-time listening. Okay, so now look at real-time listening all together. There are two activities here. A. Listen, choose the best answer for each question. So before you listen to the track, I would like you to read the questions and answer with me first. And after that, you will listen and choose only the best answer. Okay? Now read all the questions and answer with me. 1. How does Nancy feel about recycling? A. She thinks it is a waste of time. B. She thinks that it is important. C. She has no feeling about it. D. She thinks it is bad for nature. 2. What does Nancy say about plastic? A. It can be used to make paper. B. It can be reused to make new things. C. It should be mixed with cans in one box. D. It should go in the box with the cardboard. 3. What should you do when recycling cardboard boxes? A. Paint them. B. Get them wet. C. Make them flat. D. Mix them with plastic. Alright, so after reading all of the questions and answers, I think you can understand all of these things, right? So now you have the chance to listen to the track carefully, and after that, circle or choose the correct answer or the best answer for the question. Okay, so now listen.
Real-time listening.
Come on, Nick. Mom wants us to sort the recycled garbage.
Do we have to, Nancy? Can't we just throw that stuff in the trash can?
Hey, recycling is important. It reduces pollution, which has a really negative effect on nature.
Oh, that's a good point.
Let's get started. We have to separate the plastic things and put them here.
Huh? Why do we have to do that?
The plastic from these products will be reused to make new plastic products.
Ah, I see. How about this? Do we need to separate the cardboard?
Yep. We also have to make the cardboard boxes flat.
Got it. Let's put the cans over here. Those have to be separated too.
You're getting good at recycling, Nick.
I see how important it is now.
Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's take your answer with me, everyone. Number 1, how does Nancy feel about recycling? The best answer is letter B, right? She thinks that it is important. So the best answer is letter B. How about the second question, everyone? What does Nancy say about plastic? The best answer is letter B, right? It can be reused to make new things. It can be reused to make new things. The last question. What should you do when recycling cardboard boxes? The best answer is letter C, right? Make them flat. Make them flat. Okay, so now we finish part A. Let's continue to part B altogether. Okay, so now before you listen, I would like you to look at the information in part B first and read all the information with me. And after that, listen and write. B. Listen again. Complete the summary. So this is the summary from your listening. You have to listen carefully, okay? We have 6 words in the box. Finish, sort, recycling, reuse, understand, important. Okay, so now look at the summary altogether and read some information here with me. Nancy and Nick are blah 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 at home. At first, Nick doesn't blah 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 why he should recycle. Nancy explains why it's blah blah blah. Recycled trash can be blah 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 to make new things. The children blah 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 threw plastic, cardboard, and cans. By the time they are blah blah blah, Nick begins to understand the importance of recycling. Okay, so after reading this information and reading the 6 words, I hope you can choose the 6 words to fill in the blank very well. Okay, now listen.
Real-time listening.
Come on, Nick. Mom wants us to sort the recycled garbage.
Do we have to, Nancy? Can't we just throw that stuff in the trash can?
Hey, recycling is important. It reduces pollution, which has a really negative effect on nature.
Oh, that's a good point.
Let's get started. We have to separate the plastic things and put them here.
Huh? Why do we have to do that?
The plastic from these products will be reused to make new plastic products.
Ah, I see. How about this? Do we need to separate the cardboard?
Yep. We also have to make the cardboard boxes flat.
Got it. Let's put the cans over here. Those have to be separated too.
You're getting good at recycling, Nick.
I see how important it is now.
Finish, everyone? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. And I hope your answers are correct. Alright, so number 1, Nancy and Nick are recycling, right? So recycling is number 1. Recycling. How about number 2, everyone? Nancy and Nick are recycling at home. At first, Nick doesn't understand. Okay, very good. Nick doesn't understand why he should recycle. Nancy explains why it's important, right? Why it's important. Why it's important. Recycled trash can be reused. Okay, can be reused to make new things. You can find the answer here. The second question, that B, right? How about number 5? Okay, you can look at this all together. The children learn through plastic. It must be sort, right? We have only 2 more words, sort and finish, right? So this one, sort. Okay. The children sort through plastics cardboard and cans. By the time they are, we have only one more word, right? Finish. Okay, finish. They are, by the time they are finished, Nick begins to understand the importance of recycling. Okay, so now we finish the listening part and we also finish the first session. And I hope you can improve more with the listening activity and you can improve the vocabulary through listening. Okay, this is the end of our first session and see you in the second session.